Welcome to Byte-SizeReviews, your gateway to bite-sized wonders of the natural world. Today, we're venturing into the heart of Earth's green giants, the tropical rainforests. These biodiverse wonders are not just ecosystems. They're intricate marvels of nature that play a vital role in our planet's health. So, let's dive into the top 10 fascinating facts about tropical rainforests. Number 10. Biodiversity Hotspot. A biodiversity hotspot is a region with exceptionally high levels of species richness and endemism that is under significant threat from human activities. These areas are crucial for conservation efforts due to their unique ecosystems and the variety of life forms they support. To qualify as a hotspot, a region must have at least 1,500 endemic plant species and have lost at least 70% of its original habitat. Examples include the Amazon rainforest, the Coral Triangle, and the Madagascar and Indian Ocean Islands. Protecting these hotspots is vital because they contain numerous species that are not found anywhere else on Earth, and their loss would mean irreversible damage to global biodiversity. Conservation strategies in these areas often focus on habitat preservation, restoration, and sustainable development to balance human needs with environmental protection. Biodiversity hotspots play a critical role in maintaining ecological balance, supporting livelihoods, and providing resources and ecosystem services essential for human survival and well-being. Number 9. Carbon sink. A carbon sink is a natural or artificial reservoir that absorbs and stores carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. Primary natural carbon sinks include forests, oceans, and soil. Forests absorb CO2 through photosynthesis, storing carbon in trees and vegetation. Oceans absorb CO2 directly from the atmosphere and through marine organisms. Soil stores carbon through the decomposition of organic matter. Carbon sinks are crucial for regulating the Earth's carbon cycle and climate by reducing atmospheric CO2. Protecting and enhancing these sinks is vital for climate change mitigation. This involves preserving forests, restoring degraded lands, promoting sustainable land use practices, and protecting marine ecosystems. Additionally, artificial carbon sinks, such as carbon capture and storage technologies, are being developed to complement natural sinks. Carbon sinks are essential for maintaining the atmospheric carbon balance and combating global warming, emphasizing the importance of conservation and innovative technologies in climate strategies. Number 8. Canopy layer. The canopy layer, found in tropical and temperate forests, is a dense layer of foliage formed by the crowns of tall trees. This layer, typically 60 to 130 feet above the ground, is a vital component of forest ecosystems. It hosts a diverse range of flora and fauna, providing habitat and food for numerous species including birds, insects, and mammals. The canopy regulates forest climate by filtering sunlight, reducing temperature fluctuations, and maintaining humidity levels. Photosynthesis primarily occurs in the canopy, making it crucial for oxygen production and carbon dioxide absorption. The dense foliage also protects the forest floor from harsh weather and reduces soil erosion by intercepting rainfall. The canopy layer plays a significant role in nutrient cycling as leaves and organic matter fall to the ground, decomposing and enriching the soil. Researchers study the canopy to understand biodiversity, ecosystem functions, and the impacts of climate change. Conservation of the canopy layer is essential for maintaining the health and balance of forest ecosystems, emphasizing its importance in global ecological stability. Number 7. Medicinal plants. Medicinal plants have been used for centuries to treat various ailments and maintain health. These plants contain bioactive compounds that have therapeutic properties, making them valuable in traditional and modern medicine. Examples include aloe vera, known for its healing properties on burns and skin conditions, and ginger, used to alleviate nausea and inflammation. Echinacea boosts the immune system, while willow bark contains salicin, a precursor to aspirin, used for pain relief and anti-inflammatory effects. Medicinal plants are crucial in pharmacology, serving as the basis for many drugs. The World Health Organization estimates that around 80% of the global population relies on traditional plant-based medicine for primary health care. Conservation of these plants is essential as overharvesting and habitat destruction threaten their availability. Sustainable practices and cultivation efforts are necessary to ensure their continued use. Research into medicinal plants continues to uncover new potential treatments for various diseases, highlighting the importance of biodiversity and the need to protect natural habitats. The knowledge and use of medicinal plants remain a vital part of global health. Number 6. Indigenous cultures. Indigenous cultures embody unique traditions, languages, knowledge, and beliefs of native communities worldwide. These cultures, deeply connected to their environments, include rich oral traditions, music, art, and diverse social practices. Indigenous knowledge systems are invaluable, covering sustainable agriculture, medicinal plant use, and environmental stewardship. However, these cultures face challenges like land loss, cultural assimilation, and globalization threats. Preserving their heritage is crucial for maintaining global cultural diversity. Efforts to protect indigenous rights, promote self-determination, and preserve languages and traditions are essential. Increasingly, organizations and governments recognize the importance of including indigenous perspectives in policymaking, especially for environmental conservation and climate change mitigation. Respecting and learning from indigenous cultures provide insights into sustainable living and holistic health approaches. Their wisdom and resilience offer valuable lessons for contemporary society, emphasizing the need for a respectful and inclusive approach to cultural diversity and heritage preservation. Number 5. Rapid deforestation. Rapid deforestation is the large-scale removal of forests due to logging, agriculture, and urban development. This significantly impacts biodiversity, leading to the loss of many plant and animal species. Deforestation contributes to climate change as trees absorb carbon dioxide, and their removal releases stored carbon into the atmosphere, increasing greenhouse gases. Soil erosion is another consequence since tree roots hold soil in place. Without this protection, land becomes more susceptible to erosion, reducing agricultural productivity and affecting water quality. Indigenous communities that depend on forests for their livelihoods and cultural practices are also severely affected. Efforts to combat rapid deforestation include enforcing stricter logging regulations, promoting sustainable land use practices, and reforestation projects. International cooperation and support for conservation initiatives are crucial to preserving the remaining forests. Addressing deforestation is essential for protecting biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and supporting the livelihoods of millions of people who rely on forests. Number 4. Epiphytes. Epiphytes are plants that grow on other plants for support without taking nutrients from their hosts. Found mainly in tropical and subtropical rainforests, examples include orchids, bromeliads, and mosses. They thrive high in the canopy, accessing sunlight that is scarce on the forest floor. Epiphytes absorb water and nutrients from the air, rain, and debris using specialized structures. These plants play a vital role in ecosystems by providing habitats and resources for various animals and insects. They contribute to biodiversity and structural complexity in forests. Epiphytes help retain moisture and reduce soil erosion by intercepting rainfall. Despite their resilience, epiphytes are vulnerable to deforestation and climate change, which threaten their survival by altering habitats. Conservation efforts focus on protecting forest ecosystems to ensure these plants' continued existence. Studying epiphytes provides insights into plant adaptations and ecosystem dynamics, highlighting their importance in maintaining healthy and diverse environments. Number 3. Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, spanning 9 countries in South America, is the world's largest tropical rainforest and a critical global ecosystem. It covers over 5.5 million square kilometers and houses an unparalleled diversity of plant and animal species. The rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. It also influences regional and global weather patterns. The Amazon is home to numerous indigenous communities whose cultures and livelihoods are intertwined with its biodiversity. However, deforestation, primarily for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development, poses a severe threat. Clearing land for cattle ranching and soybean cultivation has led to widespread habitat loss and fragmentation, endangering countless species and contributing to climate change. Efforts to protect the Amazon rainforest include conservation initiatives, sustainable land use practices, and indigenous land rights advocacy. International cooperation and support are essential to combat deforestation and promote biodiversity conservation. Preserving the Amazon is crucial not only for its biological richness, but also for its role in maintaining global climate stability and supporting the well-being of local communities. Number 2. Cultural and ecological importance. Cultural and ecological importance highlights the critical preservation of human heritage and the natural environment. Culturally, it involves safeguarding traditions, languages, arts, and knowledge of indigenous and local communities, enriching global diversity and fostering resilience. Ecologically, preserving biodiversity, ecosystems, and natural resources supports essential services like clean air, water purification, and climate regulation, crucial for human well-being and economic activities. Integrated conservation approaches are essential, respecting indigenous rights, promoting sustainability, and involving communities in decision-making. This ensures cultural diversity thrives alongside environmental integrity, securing these resources for future generations. Number 1. Threatened species. Threatened species are animals and plants at high risk of extinction due to habitat destruction, illegal wildlife trade, climate change, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these species and preserve biodiversity. This involves creating protected areas, enforcing wildlife laws, and promoting sustainable practices. By safeguarding threatened species, we maintain the health of ecosystems and secure the benefits they provide, such as clean air, water, and food. Public awareness and international cooperation are critical in addressing these challenges and ensuring the survival of endangered species for future generations. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about tropical rainforests, the Earth's vibrant green lungs and biodiversity hotspots. If you found these insights as captivating as we did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Byte-SizeReviews for more bite-sized wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of our planet's rainforests.